Hannah, where are you going?
How's your snowsuit, baby? How is it? It's very cute. Hi, baby. You got a snowsuit? Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Do you have a snowsuit from Aunt Rachel? Yeah? You're so cute. Can you play in your snowsuit? Up there? What's up there, Rag? Your donut? Plastic donut? Dogs? Dogs? Snowsuit? How's that? Yeah, is it pretty comfortable? Yeah, I love you. Yeah, is there a kitty up there? You share your donut with the kitty? Uh-oh, you dropped it. Now what? Can't fit your little Stay Puft arm through the slats? I'll help you, okay? Hi!